How to get a TikTok stream key. Go to your phone's app store and search for an app called Streamlabs. Download and install it on your device. Once it's downloaded, open the Streamlabs app. It might ask you a few introductory questions. Just tap next through them. When it asks for permissions, make sure to select while using the app. In the top left corner of the Streamlabs app, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on that to open the menu, then select Account Settings from the options. Within Account Settings, find the TikTok option and tap on it. Streamlabs will prompt you to log into your TikTok account using either Facebook, Google, Twitter, Line, KakaoTalk, or Apple. Choose whichever you prefer and log in. Once you're logged into your TikTok account through Streamlabs, it'll show you your live stream key. This is the key you'll need to connect your TikTok account to Streamlabs for live streaming. Now that you have your live stream key, you're all set to start streaming on TikTok. Just enter this key into your streaming software, and you'll be ready to go live. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to find your TikTok live stream key using Streamlabs in 2024. Now you're all set to unleash your creativity with live streaming on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!